Morning students. In today's video, we will discuss about information not to be disclosed under the RTI Act. This is specified in the section 8 subsection 1 that information disclosure of which would prejudicially affect the sovereignty and integrity of India, security, strategic, scientific or economic interest of the state in relation with foreign state or lead to incitement of an offense. So national security से related matters के regarding information is not to be disclosed. Then, information which is forbidden to be published by any court of law or tribunal or the disclosure of which may constitute contempt of court. Next, information the disclosure of which would cause a breach of privilege of parliament or the state legislature. Similarly, information including commercial confidence, trade secrets, or intellectual property rights. Next, information available to a person in his fiduciary relationship unless the competent authority is satisfied that the larger public interest requires the disclosure of such information. Next, information received in confidence from foreign government. Then, information the disclosure of which would endanger the life or physical safety of any person or identify the source of information or assistance given in confidence for law enforcement or security purposes. Next, information which would impede the process of investigation or apprehension or prosecution of offenders. Next, cabinet papers including records of deliberation of the Council of Ministers, Secretaries and other offices. However, after the decision is taken and the matter is complete or over, the decision, the reasons thereof and the material leading to such decision shall be made public. So, decision can be made public, but the informations which are specified under section 8 subsection 1 are not supposed to be disclosed. ऐसे ही information which relates to personal information the disclosure of which has no relationship to any public activity or interest. Information that cannot be denied to the parliament, state legislature shall not be denied. This is the proviso of section 8 subsection J. Section 9 specifies that information shall not be disclosed if it infringes copyright of any person or other than the state. Also, that notwithstanding with the Official Secrets Act 1923, nor any of the exemptions permissible in accordance with subsection 1. इस केस में यदि public interest outweighs the harm to the protected interest, then access to the information will be allowed, and the above restrictions which we have discussed under section 8 subsection 1, that information is also to be disclosed. Now, the section 8 subsection 3 states that subject to the provisions of subsection A, C and I of subsection 1, any information relating to any occurrence, event or matter which is 20 years old on the date of request shall be provided. So all in all, on the basis of discussions made so far, we may clarify that exemptions from disclosure of information in the points as summarized on your screen. That is matters related to national security, contempt of court, paramilitary privilege, trade secrecy, fiduciary relationship, foreign government, safety of informer in law enforcement, investigation, cabinet papers, privacy and copyright disclosure which would involve an infringement of copyright subsisting in a person other than the state may be avoided. Section 9, which we have discussed also. So these are the exemptions from disclosure of information under the RTI Act. Thank you.